Let's take a look at these examples. This time I have 37 and 5/10, okay? So I'm going to convert this decimal number to fractions. This is 37 and 5/10. That's why this is going to be 37 and 5/10%. Okay? Now we can reduce this fraction by 5. That's why I'm going to have 37 and 1/2%. In order to find the fraction, right, we have to convert mixed number to improper fraction and everything divided by 100. That's why I'm going to have 2 times 37 is 74 plus 1 is 75. That's why I'm going to have 75% over 2. I said anytime we want to convert percent to the regular fraction, we have to divide that fraction by 100%. Remember, anytime we divide fractions, we have to copy first fraction down. Division we have to change to the multiplication and find the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay? Now, we're supposed to do some reducing. 75 and 100. Both of them are divisible by 25. Percent and percent also are going to cancel out. Okay, so I'm going to have 75 divided by 25 is 3 over 2 times 1 over 100 divided by 25 is equal 4. Now I can perform the multiplication. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. This is the solution to my problem. Now let's take a look at this example. Okay? We said anytime we want to convert percent number to fraction, we have to divide that number by 100%. So I'm going to have 75% over 100. Remember, percent and percent will cancel out. That's why I'm going to have 75 over 100. 75 divided by 100 we can reduce by 25. 75 divided by 25 is 3. 100 divided by 25 is 4. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, anytime we want to convert percent to fraction, we have to take the percent number and divide that by 100%. That's why I'm going to have 600% over 100%. Percent and percent will cancel out. That's why I'm going to have 600 over 100. I'm doing everything step by step. 600 and 100, both of them are divisible by 100. 600 divided by 100 is 6. 100 divided by 100 is 1. 6 divided by 1 is equal 6. This is the solution to this problem.